Using Coinbase gift cards is a straightforward process that allows you to add funds to your Coinbase account. Follow these steps to redeem your gift card effectively. Step 1. Sign into your Coinbase account. Visit the Coinbase website or open the Coinbase app on your device. Enter your login credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one first. Step 2. Navigate to the gift card section. Once logged in, look for the option that says Settings or Payment Methods. Within this section, find the option for gift cards or redeeming codes. This is where you will enter your gift card information. Step 3. Enter the gift card code. Carefully scratch off or reveal the code on your gift card. Input this code into the designated field on the Coinbase platform. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure successful redemption. Step 4. Confirm the redemption. After entering the code, click on the Redeem or Submit button. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that the funds have been successfully added to your account balance. Step 5. Use your funds. With the funds now in your Coinbase account, you can use them to buy cryptocurrencies or make transactions as desired. Explore the platform to see your options for using your new balance. In conclusion, redeeming a Coinbase gift card is a simple process that can enhance your cryptocurrency experience. Follow these steps, and you'll be ready to start trading or investing in no time.